Oh, wow! Medyo naiinis ako kay SOUQ. Masyadong ginalingan. Yaman na, boy. Nanbabo ka Belen, kamusta kayo po? Ako i-Louis Season Ming, where in Pampanga. We're gonna be opening some packaged meals from SOUQ Pampanga. So shout out po sa SOUQ Pampanga for, giving us the opportunity to taste test yung mga bago nilang delivery meals. Of course, everyone knows na lahat ng mga restaurants ngayong ECQ are for delivery and for pickup. So they have come up with a special menu for this ECQ na pwede nating orderin online from their front page or from their order number. So excited na ako. Let's get into the meat of the details. These are a lot. So ang gagawin ko guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng mga package meals natin. At the same time, konting taste test kung ano yung lasa ng mga meals nila dito. So excited. And again, thank you so much SOUQ Pampanga for the opportunity. Ang una nating package meal, guys, ay ang Hong Kong chicken rice. So let me just set this aside. Wow! Check this out. Kadi-deliver lang nito. The meals are still hot. Dun mas masarap yung pagkain while it's still hot. So, I have my fork here. Meron tayong rice dito and the chicken, guys. Smells delicious. Oh, wow! Parang medyo mapapalaban yata ako ngayon. Una ko palang tinikman guys, yung kanilang rice. Let's try the chicken. Oh wow. Legit Hong Kong style chicken. Super tender. Ang lambot ng chicken meat aroma. Yung spices na ginamit nila dito, I can still recall how is it to be like in Hong Kong. Next food package we're gonna try is annyeonghaseyo, pork samgyeopsal rice. Interesting. Alright, so it comes with kimchi rice, samjang. Wow, super. Come on SOUQ, I'm actually speechless. Sobrang sarap nito. For me, it's a little sweet. I mean, being a Korean dish. Wow. Grabe, rice pa lang talagang enjoy ka na. You're gonna enjoy it, for sure. Ito yung pork natin. Oh wow. Parang glazed pork. Oh wow. This is so amazing. Next package meal is Hong Kong chicken noodle. May alternative sila for the rice if you don't, want rice. You can go for the noodle instead. So, this is similar to the earlier Hong Kong chicken rice. But then again, this is the noodle. So, since I have tasted na yung Hong Kong chicken natin kanina, let me just try the noodles. The noodle looks like a pancit canton noodle, but the taste, guys, oh man, so satisfying. It is so satisfying. So since nandito ka na rin, Hong Kong style chicken, might as well tikman ko na rin siya uli. Oh wow, kahit yung skin ng chicken natin, it is so flavorful. Oh man. So this one is called soy garlic glazed. Wow. So in it, you have your plain rice. On the side, meron siyang salad, vegetable salad. So you have your vegetable salad. Let me taste the salad first. Oh wow. So the salad is so flavorful, para siyang garlic mayo. And the next, of course, let's taste the honey glazed chicken. Naman na boy. So yun yung unang batch ng mga food packages natin, guys. Let me just set this aside here. Next food package natin. Let's open it. Stir-fried chow mein wheels. Amazing. This is so packed with ingredients. So you have your noodles, chicken strips, of course your vegetables like carrots, the cabbage, and then meron pa silang mga tofu. Okay. Yeah, so I guess this one is preferred for sa mga nagda-diet na yan. Oh man. Oh man. Next to taste, guys, sriracha chicken. When I hear the word sriracha, parang pumapasok sa akin dyan kagad-kagad ay hot chili pepper. Okay, based on my observation, so you got a fried chicken here with sriracha sauce, and inside you have your vegetables. Yeah. So let's taste this one. Oh wow. Oh wow. I have to comment, no? Although sabi ko kanina, fried chicken siya, no? The meat is still so tender and hindi siya dry. And then the sriracha for me, yung spiciness niya, guys, is just right. Hindi siya nakakasakit ng ano. Okay, so moving forward. Again, this is a chicken katsu from the word itself. Again, it's a Japanese-inspired dish. So you have your chicken fillet, deep fried with special breading. Although fried chicken, the meat is still tender and juicy. I think that's the word, still juicy. Of course, you have your tonkatsu sauce. Let's try it. Oh wow. Very Japanese. Very Japanese. One last package meal. For sure, this is not the least. What we have right now is the Fiesta Chicken Barbecue. Guys, price of 120 pesos. 120 pesos for this one. Bakit ka pa order sa fast food? Your rice, meron tayong atsara on the side. Of course, sa mga fiesta, sa mga baryo-baryo, hindi nawawala yung atsara dyan. Wow! 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 And you have your barbecue sauce. Curious lang ako, ano yung lasa ng barbecue sauce natin. So let's get a piece of the meat here and dip it in the barbecue sauce. Wow. Wow. It is so satisfying. I'm just gonna present these food packages to you, and then later on, of course, I'm gonna share this to my family. I'm gonna share this to my family, of course. Pero hindi pa yung nagtatapos. They are kind enough to have us desserts. Check that out. Desserts. Guys, so meron tayong sweet potato crunch, cream on tart, 3 flavor pie. So since medyo nabusog ako dun sa mga taste test natin sa mga package meal, I'm just gonna go for the smallest one, which is cream on tart. Let me taste it. Oh wow, this is so satisfying, guys. Let me just put this one here. Papalakpak muna ako for SOUQ. Bravo. So there you go, guys. If you're interested to try yung mga package meals nila for delivery, make sure to check out the number I'm gonna flash here, or check out their fan page, SOUQ Pampanga, hand in hand with Empacho Restaurant. So one of our most viewed video, yung Empacho grill natin dyan. You gotta check them out. Hope you like the video. If you do like this video, guys, share it with your friends. Make sure to call them out for a delivery. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga, guys. See you later.